Everyone uses social media, whether it's going on a forum, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, etc., etc. We all have our own personal favourites here. So as we get into this, what we ask you to do first off is identify 4 different social media channels and tell us what are their features. So just pick one, talk about it, pick another, and so on. So let's identify 4 different social media channels. You can do that, I'm sure. Question 2 is a little bit more difficult actually, because now we're looking at social media for business use. So think here now about how a business, not an individual now, but a business might use social media channels. And question 3, again, think more specifically about how a business might use them. So we're moving away now from the social media that you might use yourself as a person into how this can be used for a business to actually promote itself. Not quite the same thing really, is it? Okay, for question 4, we ask you now to describe an audience. So we now want you to think, right, perhaps who your customer is. So maybe women aged 30 to 50, maybe living in certain types of areas, having a certain type of lifestyle, or it could be teenagers that you're after, male and female, whatever. Just describe an audience, because getting to know an audience will then help you best match the social media to actually hit that audience. So building on that, question 5, we ask you then to match the media to an audience. So just do that a couple of times. So if you're aiming for these people, that's the best social media to use. But these people over here, maybe it's a different social media you should be using. We have really quite sort of different habits. And then finally, we want you to work out then how you can actually build a following using social media. So how you can get more people involved, get more people talking, and build that audience, build that pool of customers using social media. I'm sure you can do this, you use it in your everyday life, but now it's a case of applying this to a business situation. Oh, we've got another one, haven't we, somewhere? We've got 8 to do.